What's going on, people?
What it is, what it is.
It's Jimmy. It's Joe Nasty. We are in Orlando, Orange County, the Orange County.
Orange.
It's Saturday. We had a nice little situation. I've been dying to do one on a Saturday. We finally got to do one on a Saturday. So we're here in Orlando at Kalalou, Caribbean and Grill. You know, they're not doing a good job at putting these on the addresses on the door.
They're not.
Come on, like I didn't have it up.
It's a little difficult.
I didn't have it up. Here it is. It is 5160 South John Young Parkway, Orlando, Florida 32839. Now, a lot of you guys, when we asked what a good restaurant's at, a lot of people said Kalalou.
Yeah.
Personally, I'm not a fan of Kalalou, the vegetable.
Not a big fan of it. Sorry, brother.
But we're gonna see what's going on here today with the food. Now, Jimmy, what do you got, brother?
I got a dairy bland. Y'all know how I feel about my rice.
Landy's.
And I got some chicken and, you know, some sauce pool, you know. It's simple.
Simple. Very simple. OG Haitian meal.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Chicken and rice.
Got the sauce on the side, bun on salad. You know I ain't gonna touch the salad, but it looked good. All right, so I guess he gets some points for that. I'm gonna go ahead and dip in. I already put the sauce on it. I have not put the sauce bar on it. I just want to see how it tastes without the sauce bar, because I always feel like the sauce bar is an extra.
Mm-hmm.
You don't necessarily need it.
Okay. It's Saturday. Everybody who knows Jonah knows that Joe Nasty loves a good bowl of bouillon. I got bouillon. Listen, it's only two spots that I really like bouillon from that I know bouillon is the greatest at. My mama and Prosperity in West Palm Beach, Prosperity Island. They service ain't too good, but the bouillon, my God. So it's Saturday, specific bouillon day. I'm gonna try it here, Kalalou Caribbean restaurant. Let's see what's going on with the bouillon. And it's hot out here today. Mm-hmm. Shout out to everybody in Orlando. They make theirs with goat. Some people make it with beef. Okay. Alright. And the thing about your bouillon gotta be hot, man.
Yeah.
Bouillon should make you sweat.
Yeah.
If you start a little spice on the back.
That's what bouillon's supposed to do to you.
Yep. Wow.
I ain't gonna lie, man.
I love a soupy bouillon. Can't be too watery, but can't be pressed. If your bouillon thick, don't get to me. I gotta be able to maneuver around the bouillon meats. Damn. And gotta have that dumb boy. Some people like to say boy. Gotta have that thing in there. Got to. And they got a big boot dumb boy right here. I'm gonna chop that. Me, I like to eat it with the meat. You know. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Yeah.
To be honest with you,
I'm a big fan eating.
I did it without the sauce bar, and with the sauce bar. Amazing both ways.
Damn.
And y'all know coming from me, that's a lot.
Alright. Okay. We also got Giganaja. You know, that's kind of the specialty Haitian drink. Lemonade, Giganaja. Sometimes they like to mix it up. Straight Ganaja. I gotta see what it's all about. Passion fruit juice for my English speakers. Granajad. All right. Okay. I can't even listen. Kalalou, K-A-L-A. It's dope how they did with the sign. The L's are two actual Kalalous, and the O is a cut Kalalou for the O. And she had slime dripping. Anyway, this is incredible. And they got a lot of traffic. The inside is nice. The food took a little bit of time to get here. I ain't gonna lie.
Get this. They got a drive-through.
Oh my God, I forgot to mention that.
They got a drive-through. Now, I'm not quite sure on how the logistics of the drive-through
They said
work.
you order, you got about 10 to 12 minute wait in the drive-through.
I don't
First
believe
Haitian
that.
restaurant
I don't believe that.
I've ever seen in my life with a drive-through.
Yes.
It might take a long time, but come on, Jimmy. They breaking records here.
I think you gotta order it. You gotta order it. That's the only way it'll work.
Come on, man. That's trend-setting service right there. With that being said, this bouillon was absolutely incredible. I can't even talk shit about it.
The butter was a little soft for my liking. Good, but it ain't give me no crisp.
Like I need to get into this now and eat this now. Like even after this is done. Normally, I don't eat it. And I put it in the car.
No, you don't. You throw it away sometimes.
If your
Don't
food's not,
Don't lie to the stop lying to the people.
you good people. Yeah, I don't deserve a lot. Sometimes I do put it in trash if I ate a lot. Ça que là.
All right.
Aujourd'hui, c'est samedi, il est comme moi bouillon. On va from force. C'est une baguette force, une baguette faire rien. Yeah, m'obligé. Yeah. Est-ce que tu as bouillon aujourd'hui? Vous avez bouillon?
Non.
Ou pas de bois?
Non.
Ou baguette force?
Ouais.
Ou baguette force? Ça de manger. La bouille? Rien. On va pour boire. Rien. Rien, on met non quoi, on va rien faire cela.
Poisson bon dans manger matin.
Poisson bon.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys.
All right. Next year, mi mieux. Non, nego cap lié.
Neck pam.
Coupé. Coupé.
Neck pam.
Okay.
Okay. Good man, man.
Am I okay? All right, they got you.
Yep.
Definitely hit the camera. Like he didn't even notice.
Hey, you know.
No, it's okay. I mean, now I gotta come here and just pop it to the side. There you go. Yeah, it didn't have a sense of nothing what's going on. Okay.
I'm gonna honestly give this a 7.6. This is really good. It's a 7.6, man. And the meat was really good. The butter was a little soft for me, but in the G, really good. Grandian, really good, man.
What you call it?
Grandian.
This was a solid, and when I mean solid, this was a solid 8.8. Good shit.
That's high.
This is good shit in here. All right.
That's
The
high.
only reason why it didn't get to a 9, because it ain't no spice in there. It ain't tickle my throat. Pause. It didn't give me the ain't no Pima in here. I like mine with Pima. Had there been Pima in here, I would have had to talk to my mama. Good conversation with my mama.
Strong.
Yeah. But my mama like to put the Pima on the back end. This is good shit. This is good food. We're here at Kalalou, Caribbean Bar and Grill in Orlando. Make sure you check it out. Again, it's a drive-through. It's a fucking drive. This is I ain't saying it's Chick-fil-A service drive-through, but come on, trend setting the system. That's incredible. It's just the food took a little bit to get out. It's a nice setting in there. It's a bar, clean setup, very clean, great customer service. They're updated, so they do take cards.
Yep.
And like they bring the thing out to you, you shove it
I
in.
feel like some people laughing like they take cards. What that mean? Some restaurants don't take cards? Yes. There are actual restaurants that do not take cards still in 2021.
Right. Most of them are down south. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah. So James is about to do the call test, the ring test.
Yeah.
Now, microwavable value, you know microwave bouillon, baby. You drink it all right here and there. 0.
This right here has high microwave. I'm gonna put this at a 9.3 for microwave.
Yeah, you can save that.
Oh boy,
Yeah.
can what?
Yeah.
You take this, but see to microwave this, you can't microwave this and get the full extent of what is possible of doing, capable of doing. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You got to put this in a whole new bowl. You got to take it out of the styrofoam and the plastic.
There's science to this.
Exactly. You got to put it in a big Kivette container.
Or Kivette, yeah,
All right?
do, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You mix it all
Big
in with the
Kiev.
sauce spot. You can't put this back in here with this like
So
this.
you making a Haitian monogalosh.
Yeah, or you put it on to the side or whatever you want to do with it, man. You can't microwave this and get its full value.
I don't know where the fuck this nigga's getting these stats and these systems and these
You gotta
procedures.
put it in a whole different bowl.
And you can't put the microwave on a certain time. You just keep pressing it and adding seconds till you feel like that's enough. Let's see how many readings it takes for them to pick up. And they got music blaring too. You'll probably hear it.
Outside
Nice,
tables.
yeah, nice outside tables, outside setup. You could do a good brunch out here. And I ain't gonna lie to you. Good brunch could be done here. Good, it's clean, man. I like it. It's a couple rings though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Damn. Everybody walking out got like 16 bags in their hand.
Hey, the lunch deals.
Hey, still ringing. Look, that, you know what that tells me? Drive-through is not going to be as smooth as it should be.
I told you.
Yeah.
I don't know about the
Yeah. The logistics of it ain't there, but I like the step. It's a step in the right direction. I have yet to see a Caribbean restaurant. I lied. What's the Jamaican one?
Dutch spot.
Dutch spot. They have a drive-through. Anywho, Haitian restaurant. Listen, Kalalou Caribbean Bar and Grill, Orlando, Florida. That's James. I'm Jonas. Good shit. 8876 Saturday Bouillon. Regular OG Haitian meal. Hit them up. It's delicious.